So today we'll be unboxing the VTHENK 48 megapixel digital camera and 4K digital camcorder. We'll be reviewing that and unboxing that today. So here is the box that it comes in. Just says digital camera. As you can see down there, it says digital camera. Max 48 megapixels. 16-inch powerful zoom. And video camcorder. So let's open this up and see what's in there. Okay. Interesting. We have an instruction manual. Thank you for purchasing the camera. Camera comes in this nice case here. Really nice case. Well protected. Looks very good. Inside, I'm guessing this is the camera. It's got a nice weight to it. Let's look at what else is in here. Strap for the case. Right there. Nice little strap for the case. Looks like some USB cables for the camera. Charging cable. Okie dokie. A macro lens, wide lens. 2 lithium batteries. Lithium 500 batteries. And that is it. The camera appears to be a nice camera. Has a nice weight to it. As we can see, digital lens times 16. Macro. The 4K Ultra HD has a flash there. There's a mount there. You can mount things there. It would fit a tripod, as you can see there. So let's explore this a little more. On this side here, has a screen. Screen kind of comes out. It doesn't rotate at all, which is a bummer. So let's put a battery in here. And it did not come with a micro SD chip. I see the HD cable cord here. As you can see, it's real nice there. SD kind of fits at the bottom there. Tripod mount. That appears where the battery is gonna go. It's a nice little screen there. So let's like I said, let's get a battery in here and get this thing powered up. Now that we have a battery in there, and an SD card, let's power this bad boy on. Power button on the top there. As you can see, nice welcome sign. Picture quality doesn't seem to be that bad for now. We'll play around with it in a bit here. So there you see at the top, right now it's in camcorder mode. You can just switch this to whatever mode you want. Now we're in picture mode, as you can see there. actually has a great little menu mode. Menu mode's real easy to use. You know, tap on your menu there. You can toggle down. Play with the exposure settings. That's pretty neat. Now let's take a few pictures and maybe a video, and we'll kind of wrap this up. This will be just a little short review on this camera. At the end, I'll give you what I really think about it. So let's hop into it and let's get some pictures and videos. It really doesn't take bad pictures. Not as clear as your iPhone or a phone. There is a picture. There's another picture. Another picture. And a video here.
Hello everybody, how you doing?
So the video sound is a little low. I haven't really played any options. There may be an option of turning it up a little bit. Overall, for the price, it's not bad. I'm really going to take my time with this and explore with it. Want to see if this inexpensive camera is going to be really good for my needs. So far, I'm happy with it. I think it's a good camera. I guess I'll find out later, a little in depth, when I have time to mess with the settings. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good camera. Thank you.